Welcome back to the Brian Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Brian Fagan, and today we are going to talk about an important aspect of family law: calculating child support payments in Texas. Understanding how child support is determined can help both parents plan for their financial responsibilities and ensure that their children's needs are met. In this video, we'll explain how child support is calculated in Texas, what factors are considered, and how that process works. In Texas, child support is designed to provide financial support to the parent who has a primary custody of the children. The non-custodial parent typically is required to make child support payments which are intended to cover the basic needs of the child, including housing, food, clothing, education, and healthcare. Texas uses a formula to calculate child support payments based on the non-custodial parent's income. This formula is straightforward but takes several factors into account. The first step in calculating child support is to determine the non-custodial parent's net monthly income. This includes all sources of income such as wages, salaries, bonuses, commissions, overtime, pay, and rental income. From this, certain deductions are subtracted, including federal income tax, Social Security tax, union dues, and the cost of health insurance for the child. Once net monthly income is determined, Texas law applies a percentage to this amount based on the number of children involved. 20% of net income for one child, 25% for two, 30% for three, 35% for four, and 40% for five children, and no less than 40% net monthly income for 6 or more children. These percentages are applied unless the non-custodial parent is already responsible for supporting other children, in which case the percentage may be adjusted. While the percentage-based formula is the standard method for calculating child support in Texas, there are situations where the court may deviate from this formula. If the child has special needs or requires medical care, the court can order higher child support payments to cover these expenses. If both parents share custody equally, or the non-custodial parent has significant visitation time, the court may adjust the child support amount accordingly. In cases where the non-custodial parent has unusually high or low income, the court may deviate from the standard formula to ensure that the child's needs are adequately met. If both parents agree on a different child support amount than what the formula suggests, the court may approve the agreement as long as it is in the best interest of the child. Let's consider a real-life scenario. Sarah and John are divorcing in Texas and have 2 children together. John, the non-custodial parent, earns a gross monthly amount of $6,000. After deducting taxes, health insurance premiums for the children, and all other eligible deductions, John's net monthly income is calculated at $4,500. Under Texas law, the standard child support amount for calculation for 2 children is 25% of the non-custodial parent's net monthly income. John would be required to pay 25% of $4,500, which is $1,125 per month in child support. However, let's say one of the children has special needs that requires additional care. In this situation, Sarah's attorney may request an increase in the standard child support amount to cover those extra costs. The court would consider the child's medical care, their needs, and might order a higher child support amount. Once child support amount is determined, it becomes legally binding as a court order. The non-custodial parent is required to make payments as ordered, typically through a wage withholding order, and failure to comply with the child support order can result in serious consequences, including wage garnishment, suspension of driver's license, and even jail time in extreme cases. Calculating child support in Texas involves specific formulas based on the non-custodial parent's income and the number of children involved. While the process is straightforward, in many cases there are situations where deviations from the standard formula may be necessary to address unique needs of the child. Understanding how child support is calculated can help both parents to ensure that their children receive the financial support that they need. Thank you for watching, and if you found this information to be helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel for more legal insights, and remember, we are here to help, and until next time, take care and stay informed.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.